Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the two promotions that we use to get more sales. The sale and markdown promotion and the volume promotion. Both help us to sell and move more items quicker. And also I will show you what we do inside the listing description to entice the buyer to buy more. So let's start with the sale and markdown promotion. In order to create a sale, you need to go to your seller hub, marketing, promotions, create a promotion, and now you have 5 options. The order discount means that you can set a minimum amount to spend and then you get a discount. The shipping discount means that you get free shipping on discounted items. The volume pricing is basically the more quantity you buy, the less you pay. Codeless coupon means that your buyers get special URL, and you can send them a specific URL and they can go and buy and purchase your items from that URL, which is discounted price. And the sale event and markdown, which is to set an amount or a percentage down. So we'll click on that, and then you can see that's why we use this one and the volume discount on specific items. So we use the sale event and markdown in order to get more sales. What we usually do is just take a specific percent off. So we usually do between 5, which is the minimum, to 15, but let's set up 10% discount. Or you can even take a specific amount of dollars off of your items. Also, you can offer free shipping, which I don't do because I have a lot of heavy stuff and more complicated stuff regarding shipping, so I never offer free shipping for those. So let's select 10% off, and now we go to the next window to select the items. So now you can create a rule, just one specific rule for everything, for each category, but we don't do that because it's hard to adjust a few settings over there once it's been created. So we just select individual items, and you can set only 500 items per promotion, which means that if you have over 500, you need to create basically several promotions, several similar promotions. So let's select the items. So now you can select items from all your inventory, which is found here, your specific store categories, which you set, and eBay categories. We go to store categories, and those are our categories that we have on our eBay store. So let's say I want to create just for collectibles because it's less than 500. So just for the collectibles category, I click on the collectible one, and then you see 470 just the collectibles. Now what we do is set a discount price from items that are priced over 20, because we don't want to price really low value items. So we set it for 20, and you have to put a maximum, so we just put the crazy number, and you filter. You can see the number will drop almost more than half. Okay, so now I don't want to give discount to new items that I just listed. So what we do is usually 40 days and above. You don't have to put a maximum amount of days. I just do 40 days and up, filter. Now you can see we have 176 items. So now you can select all of them, and if you have over 200 in this specific page, you need to click on next. You'll have here 200 per 200 item per page is the maximum, so you have to click next and choose them. But now we have less than 200, so we can confirm the selections. And this is basically a summarized. We confirm that it's a 10% off, and we can see all the items, remove some items. The current price will reflect the prices that are being discounted. So now click on save and review. In this window you can create a sale event name which won't be visible to your buyers, just for your reference. So you can type whatever is best for you. Here it just says whatever amount of whatever percent you're taking off and how many items are selected. We leave this on default, we don't touch those. The starting date is, we usually do from right now until, if you can see, it goes a month. It goes for a whole month. So we usually just do it for like a few days, like 2 days. And we set up an end time. And here you can choose a name for the sale, so the buyer will see that. So just write something like limited time offer, 10% off selected items. You can choose an image for your sale, like a flash sale or something similar to that. I don't know why it generates automatically some images from your listings. I don't know why. That's the preview for the sale. Obviously you need to change the image to make it more appealing, and you hit on launch, and that's it. So now I want to show you how to do the volume pricing promotion. So again, you go to your seller hub, marketing, promotions, and you get to this page. You create a promotion and you choose volume pricing. This is very simple. You just select the offer name, which is for your reference only, and then you choose the discounts. So basically when you buy one item there's no discount, but if you buy 2, 3, 4 or more, you can choose what percent discount you'll offer. So let's say if you buy 2 items you get 5% off. If you buy 3 you get 10, and now it enables the 4th one. You choose 15, and now you can choose the inventory you want to apply this discount on. So let's click on add inventory, and now we'll choose the rule instead of selected items. Okay, so instead of select items we'll go to the rules. So let's create rule for a specific category. Now we can choose a specific category. So let's go to our store and let's choose Laserdisc. We have a lot of Laserdiscs, so we had a few that sold really quickly, and now we have about almost 200 that are slow selling. They're selling here and there, but still slow. So now I just basically chose the entire Laserdisc category. You can see all the items are here. You can set a specific price point to give discounts on, but I leave it just on the entire category. So now I save and review. All that's left to do is to set a date. So let's say from right now till a few more days at I don't know, 12, and you click on launch, and that's it. Now I want to show you what I wrote inside the listing itself. So this is the listing for the usual suspects. It's a laser disc. So we have our description, item description, and below on each and every laser disc we have those sentences. So basically it's just to entice the buyers to buy more. So I have basically the description of the sale itself, what the percentages are off for each item, and then I share a link to my Laserdisc category on my store. So they won't have to go and search specifically for items. They can just go directly to the store, add everything to their cart, and just pay and get a discount for everything. This is set up straight to my Laserdisc category on my store. So this is a good thing to do if you want to get more sales, more volume sales, and increase the number of items you're gonna move. So I wanted to share some of our numbers. As you can see, we usually sell about 10 to 15% of our inventory. We have about 1,800 items on average listed and active. So we sell between 180 to 200 each month. Sales promotions are definitely helping to move some items. We usually run sales on items that we have for a long period of time, and for some items that we just want to move quicker or sell more in bulk. So those are our numbers, about 10 to 15% inventory sales a month. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will make you create more promotions and get more sales. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.